The court in Abuja has refused to release on bail the men accused of carrying out the Owo church attack that happened in Ondo State back in June 2022, where many innocent worshippers lost their lives and several were badly injured. This case has been dragging for long, but now the suspects remain in custody as the court prepares for full trial under terrorism laws. My people, this is one case that Nigerians have been waiting for, and the refusal of bail shows that the court is taking it very seriously. As we talk about this, kindly like this video now and subscribe so that you don't miss when we bring more updates on this sensitive story. The Owo attack was not just another headline, it was a deep wound in our nation. Families are still crying, survivors are still dealing with pain, and the whole community is still scarred. When you think of the lives lost that Sunday morning, you understand why Nigerians are calling for real justice. The court said granting bail could be risky, and many Nigerians agree because this is about public safety and respect for the victims. Please don't forget, like the video right now and subscribe so this gist can continue reaching more people. Now, some analysts are tying this court ruling to the bigger politics of today. They say it connects with what people are calling a shift in power under President Bola Tinubu. Some call it the end of northern hegemony because they believe Tinubu is moving government decisions and influence away from the old balance where the North had stronger hold. But let's be clear, the bail refusal itself is a court decision, not a direct order from the president. Still, in Nigeria, legal moves and political narratives always mix, and people are already using this story to make wider points. If you are following, make sure you click the like button now and also subscribe so we can keep unpacking these issues together. Let's break it down in a simple way. First, appointments and federal positions. Critics say northern elites are no longer getting as many key seats as before, while Tinubu's camp insists appointments are about competence and national interest. Second, security and law enforcement. Under Tinubu's administration, terrorism trials and prosecutions are looking tougher, with courts less willing to grant bail. Third, public perception. Every ruling becomes political debate. One side sees justice, another side sees selective treatment. That's why this Owo court story is shaking the political space. If you are still with me, like and subscribe right now, because this gist is not ending here. But let us not forget the human side. This attack destroyed families. People went to church and never came back. Justice is not just about politics. It is about those lives cut short and those still in pain. So while politicians and commentators argue about power shifts, the truth is, the victims deserve fairness and truth in court. Show respect for that by liking this video now and subscribing so we keep their story alive. Looking ahead, the trial will begin properly, the government will present evidence, the defense will challenge it, and Nigerians will watch closely to see if justice is served. If the process is clear and strong, it could build trust. If it is messy, it could cause more anger. Either way, this trial is not just about the accused men, it is about how much faith Nigerians can have in their justice system. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe because we will follow the trial and give you every detail. Now, about the bigger political gist. Is Tinubu really destroying northern dominance in politics? Some believe yes, saying his style is different from previous governments that gave more space to the north. Others say no, that power in Nigeria always rotates and shifts, and this is just another cycle. Whichever side you believe, one thing is clear. Nigeria is changing, and how the Owo case is handled will feed into those debates. Before I continue, my people, like this video now, subscribe and drop your comments below. Do you trust the courts to deliver justice in cases like this? We must also talk about responsibility. It is not only about Tinubu or northern or southern elites, but about whether our systems, security, judiciary, governance can rise above politics. That is the real test. If this trial is fair, then it shows Nigeria is moving in the right direction. If it is not, then the wounds of Owo will stay open for long. Once again, like and subscribe, because this is not just gist. This is our future.